want to tell the people out there that thank you for supporting me, and if you don't, suck my dick. And I know you think because I'm a woman I don't have a dick, but I have a pink dildo in my dresser. You know, it's like a cold pigeon in New York City. The ones that leave comments that suck and dick and die. Choke on the dick. You know what's so crazy? Because that would be a tragic death. You know, can you imagine if you die and it's like, oh my God, how they die? By choking on a dick.
It looks like you're getting ready to give birth right there. It looks like...
But you know, they said the more you move, the easier it will come out.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying? And
yeah.
Come out. Fam.
Yeah, yeah. Well, especially if that's comfortable for you to do, it'll be easy to...
Yeah. I was just trying to show the world how I got pregnant in the first place.
I see. All right. All right.
I know you mad. I know he was gonna give me a very expensive gift because he wasn't there for my birthday. But I thought he was gonna give me like a watch or something. But he just went out his way. How about you go back to taking your clothes off so everybody can see you and not have to hear you? Well, how about you drink a bottle of Clorox and die? Or how about you fuck your mother while your stepfather watch? It hit the charts. It hit the charts. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Why is it important to have